Okay. So this is how you make, well, not make, but how you use a budget blender. So I haven't thought of the thing to start off with, but I guess I'll start off with the subdivision surface modifier. You can just you can just put it up to 2. Then go to modeling. Then go to faces. Also a good tip. If you don't want your textures to be stretched, go up here in edit mode. Go to options and then press correct face attributes. However you pronounce that. And then you can start extruding. Also, whenever you extrude with subdivision modifier, it looks just like this. And you can just do all this. So you kind of can just turn a cube into a sphere, and then you can turn it way up, and then go to layout, and then apply that. You're about to see something cool. So this is sculpt mode. You gotta go to sculpt mode if you want to do this. And you can just sculpt it. Also, I would recommend using elastic grab down here. And well, really all of these, but it depends on what you're making. This does, well, that. And this does that. And this play strips does, well, that. Pretty good for detail. Oh, oops. Okay. Oh yeah, and blob. It just makes a blob. This, not the best thing to use in my opinion, but still pretty good for detail. Darn it! Oh, it's not applied. Oh yeah, and Clay Thumb does, well, this. Pretty good for detail too. Also good for making your models look like demons. So yeah. And smoothing. Hold on. Smoothing. Here. Smooth does, well, just smooths. Pretty much all it does. And this. Can't really see, but hold on, let me make like one of these and then do that. Yeah, it works just better on edited parts, as you can see. And just grabs, but it's not the same as elastic grab. See the difference? And then elastic snake, and you can do that. You can make some pretty good monstrosities with that. So then grab to the I have no idea what this is. I really do not like it. What was that? Grab silhouette. I guess you can't make it look weird. Oh. Nudge. What does this? Guess it's kind of like weird. Pinch. Pinch. Huh. Kind of shrinks it. And pose. Can look very weird. And sometimes pretty good at modeling. Pose. Pull. Yeah. It's weird. Oh. What is this? Relax pinch? Huh. Relax slide? Snake hook. Oh my goodness. You can make some pretty good monstrosities using this. Yeah. Definitely should have used this for one of the games I'm modeling for. Thumb. I don't like it. Spin, spin, spin! Oh. That must be pretty good at for making portals. 3D portal speeds. I have no idea what that does. Oh. I have no idea what that does. Face set paint. Oh, yeah, you can paint with sculpting too, by the way. I guess this is for that? No. Mask? Huh. Huh. Uh, bend slash twist claw. Oh my, I don't think I want to do that. Okay. Yeah, pretty good for making detailed. Drag cloth. I really like this one. It's pretty good. Then expand slash contract cloth. Also pretty good for detail. As you can see. And grab cloth. You can make some pretty cool things with that. And then the last bit. Okay, grab random cloth. Okay, slate cloth. Huh. Pinch cloth. Looks great. And what's this? Pinch point cloth. But it has pretty good for detail. Push cloth. Stretch slash move cloth. This is really weird. And then this. I don't know how that works. But you can just delete that with the delete button and press Shift A and then add another cube. Okay. Now, the about why can't I talk? No. Now I'm going to show you how to use the skin modifier, which is pretty cool. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, I was gonna teach you how to use the skin modifier. So yeah, just have a singular vertice and select that vertice, and then just make whatever shape you want, and then you can add a modifier. And then I'm pretty sure it's a generate, and then look for skin, and then you've got this thing. Hey, wait a minute. Huh. you can do that. I don't really know how to do this thing, but let's just. Just that. You can also still move things around. I don't really know how to size it. I don't really know what this does. But it's not really teaching you how to use the skin modifier, but I bet you can make some characters with the skin modifier. Yeah, kinda like that. Looks is super duper cool. And also, you can add the subdivision surface modifier to it if you want. Simple. Maybe you're gonna do that. Oh, modeling. How do I do this? Mark loose. S. I don't really know how to use this. And you can just Shift A and add another cube. And then you can just size it up or down with S. We press Z to do the two sides down from top to bottom, and press X to shrink it from the sides, and press Y to shrink it from the other side. Yeah. um. No. I guess I could like show you how to make a maze. So just delete that and then add a plane. And then just right click, press faces right there. And then click the right click and then press subdivide. And then do that a bunch of times, but it depends on how big your map is, so make it a pretty small map. No, just unselect those. Now, you can have your starter if you want. And then you can just start clicking where you want the map, how you want the map to be. And whenever you have your map done, you can just press Control and then I, and then press Delete, and then press Faces. And make sure you have this on, because you want to have all of the faces selected. And then you want to press E or press this and then do the thing. Which I'll show you how to do this. Just gotta pull this up, or you can do that. Yeah. Now you want to press Control 1, 2. Well, you don't have to, but if you want it to be like a cave, you should. And then apply that. If you want to size it up a bit. And then press bottom. And make sure you have vertices, whatever. And then make sure you have all of the vertices selected. And then right click. And then look for randomized vertices. And then, well, it does that, but you want to, where you see randomize, you want to click that, and then shrink this down to your liking. Like that. Which looks pretty good. And well, oh yeah, also, unless you want to do it in Unity, you can flip it. So press. Oh wait, you gotta have faces selected. Right? Make sure you have all of them selected, and then press Alt N, and then press flip, and then you can just press this arrow here, and go to face orientation. And you see all this red? It means that you can pass through that in Unity. But the gray means you can't. Unless you just flip it in Unity, you know? Yeah. And then you're pretty much done with that part. Oh yeah, and also, we can just make a quick character to show you how to make characters. So I'm gonna cut to the part where I'm done with the character. Okay, I am done with the character guy. Oh, now. You want to add a armature, and then go to this little guy here, and then press viewport display, and then press in front. And then you can just size that up. Should bring it up a little bit. Now you want to go to modeling. Now let's start off with the neck and head, like that. And then let's do the arms. Do that. Oh yeah, press E to extrude it. Keep on forgetting to say that in my videos. And you can just rig the feet. Like that. Okay. Now, once you're done with that, you want to select this, but make sure you have the armature yellow, and then press Control P, and then press with automatic rates, and then you can just go to pose mode, and then you can pose it like that. Then you can just pose the head, and then you can just pose it. You can pose it. You can just make it look silly. And then you're really just done with that. Okay, now I am going to show you how to make a creature like a Spinosaurus. I got a Spinosaurus toy over beside me, so yeah. So you want to uh press add or shift A, and then go to image, and then press background. And then just select the image you want to model. You know what? I'll do the Titanosaurus. Well, no, actually, I'll do the Mosasaurus. Yeah, like that. And then oh, Hold on, let's. Oh, you want to press reference. Oh my goodness. Silly little me. Oops. I want this to be the side view. So just go to image and then press reference and just add in the image you want to make and then just move it back. Well, you could do that, but you can see it from both sides. But I would recommend looking at it from this side. And then you want to turn down its opacity. And then you want to add a cube. And then just bring it. So you add this subdivision modifier up to like 3. If you want it to look nicer, you can just shade smooth it with right click and then pressing that. And then you just select what you want to do. And then you just extrude it out to match the image. Alright, you want to make sure it's selected. And then just merge that out. And then just do that. Shrink it down a little. And then just do that. And then do the same thing. and then you can try to add defense. Just hold that and then release all the thing that you want to do. I think the vids are a little too big, but it's fine. It's just a tutorial video. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. And I already taught you how to rig it, so bye bye to those guys. Um, what should I teach you next? Okay, I should teach you how to do the add thing. You can do 3, 4, 5, 6, 42, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and just a bunch. Up to 500. Uh, hmm. I'm running out of ideas. Oh yeah, I should teach you how to add materials. So you want to go to here, view material preview, and then press material, and then press new, and then you can either do this, or you don't, but let's just say you don't want to right now, and then press image texture, uh, and then you can just add whatever you want to add on to it. And you can also UV edit it. So you can do a bunch of stuff with it. And you can move it around and all that. Um, I really don't know what I should teach you next. I really don't know what to teach you now. I don't know. Oh yeah, I should teach you how to join things together. So, oh yeah, I should teach you how to copy first. So just how to copy is Control C, Control V, and then yeah. And to join, just select the things you want to join together in object mode, and then press Control J. Yep. Also, if you want to select everything else other than but if you want to select everything except for the thing you have selected, just press Control I. I really don't know what to do now. I should teach you how to light stuff. So just add a light. Can't be any of these. I recommend the spot for now. The spotlight. And just increase this to your liking. And also you can change the color of it. I'm gonna change it to yellow because it's my favorite color. And you can also rotate it and and then the sun. A little too bright. Yeah, that. And the area. Yeah. And then just point. can just do that. I guess that's all of them. I really don't know anything to teach you. I don't know. Oh, I guess that's the end of the tutorial for now. So, bye bye.